Welcome to Viral Vars, your ultimate destination for the latest bike reviews, specs, and everything you need to know about motorcycles. Today we are diving into the 2026 Suzuki GN 125, a bike that has captured attention for its classic design and reliable performance. The Suzuki GN 125 continues to be a favorite among riders who appreciate simplicity, fuel efficiency, and ease of handling. With its timeless design, this motorcycle blends practicality with style, making it perfect for both new riders and daily commuters. The 2026 model features a 124cc single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent power, making city rides and short trips effortless. The engine is designed for efficiency, offering a balance between performance and fuel economy. Riders can expect responsive acceleration with minimal vibrations, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride at all speeds. The GN 125's 5-speed transmission allows smooth gear shifts, giving riders better control over different road conditions. One of the standout features of the 2026 Suzuki GN 125 is its classic styling. The bike retains its retro look with a round headlamp, chrome accents, and a simple but elegant fuel tank design. This classic appearance appeals to enthusiasts who prefer a minimalist yet timeless motorcycle design. The seating is comfortable for both the rider and pillion, making it suitable for daily commutes and longer rides alike. The upright riding posture reduces strain on the back and wrists, enhancing overall comfort. In terms of handling, the GN 125 offers a lightweight frame that is easy to maneuver through traffic and tight corners. The suspension system is tuned to absorb bumps and provide a smooth ride even on uneven roads. Braking is managed through drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels, which are reliable for city riding. The bike's fuel tank capacity ensures that riders can cover long distances without frequent refueling, making it practical for everyday use. The instrument panel is simple and user-friendly, featuring an analog speedometer, odometer, and fuel gauge. There are no unnecessary distractions, allowing the rider to focus on the road. Maintenance and service are straightforward, with spare parts readily available and affordable, making the GN 125 an economical choice for riders who want a dependable bike without high running costs. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki GN 125 is a blend of reliability, efficiency, and classic design. It is ideal for riders who want a low-maintenance bike that is practical for commuting while still looking stylish. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced rider seeking a simple, dependable motorcycle, the GN 125 remains a top choice. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews, specs, and motorcycle features, make sure to subscribe to Viral Vars for all the latest updates and exclusive content. If you want, I can also create a viral YouTube title, description with 30 hashtags, and trending keywords for this video to maximize reach and views. Do you want me to do that next?